Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is April the 19th. What I have here is an ear of corn from a local farmer that I put away last year around September, late September, something like that, and I let it dry out throughout the whole winter season. This farmer has amazing corn every year, and even though it was really hard not eating the fresh corn when I got it, I left it like this, and you can see what it looks like now. This is super light, and you can see I've taken a few off here, the kernels here, and they are tiny. And what I'm going to try to do is get these going. So this is just going to be more of a test. I guess I'll get a few more in here. So there we go. We've got a bunch here, and I'm just going to put it into some brown paper, and we'll get a little bit of water on that and try to hydrate those and see if we can get them germinated. The first thing I notice is that these are a lot more flat than the ones that you get in a package. These are extremely dried out. So I'm going to be very curious to see what happens here. Get a little bit of water on here. Make sure we're on camera. And then I'm just going to get all of this paper wet. And just get that all wet everywhere. That's good. I'm just going to open it up here. I want to make sure that all of the corn stays inside. That's good. Just fold it over. And then I'm just going to drain off the excess. That's good. And then you always want to cover that to make sure that the paper stays moist. If you leave it like this, even overnight, by tomorrow morning this would be all dried out. I'm going to close it up, and there we go. So we're going to do a good test and see what happens. So again, today's date is April the 19th, 2018, and if anything happens with the little seeds, I will be back with a video too for this series. So that's it for today's really fast video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe to my channel to get email alerts when I upload new videos, right beside the subscribe button, there's a little notification bell. Just click that little bell and you'll be notified in your email the next time I upload a brand new video. And if you like to bake, please check out my recipe channel at Bake Like a Pro on YouTube, and I'm also there on Facebook, facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro, and also YouTube, youtube.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today's really fast video, and I'll see you next time.